Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a repository in GitHub. This is a fundamental skill for anyone working with code, as repositories are where you'll store and manage all your project files, track changes, and collaborate with others. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in to your account using your credentials. Enter your username or email address and password, then click the Sign In button. This will take you to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your projects and settings. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side panel of your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and what you're looking for is the New button. This button is typically displayed prominently and is your gateway to creating new repositories. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the repository creation page. After clicking New, you'll be taken to a setup page where you'll configure your new repository. The first thing you need to do is give your repository a name. In the repository name field, type a short, descriptive name that reflects what your project is about. Keep it simple and memorable, as this name will be used in URLs and when other developers reference your work. Below the repository name field, you'll notice a description field. This is an optional feature, but it's highly recommended that you use it. Type a brief description of what your repository contains or what purpose it serves. This helps other developers and even your future self understand the project at a glance. It's a small step that makes your repository more professional and accessible. Next, navigate to the Choose Visibility section. This is where you'll determine who can see your repository. Click on the drop-down menu beside this option and you'll see two choices, public and private. Selecting public means anyone on the internet can view your repository, making it ideal for open source projects or portfolios. Choosing private restricts access to only you and collaborators you specifically invite, which is perfect for personal projects or proprietary code. Select the option that best fits your needs. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, look for the Create Repository button at the bottom of the page. Click it to finalize the creation of your repository. GitHub will process your request and generate your new repository, which you'll then be able to access from your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully created a repository in GitHub. You now have a dedicated space to store your code, track changes, and collaborate with others if you choose to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.